Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to find the QR code in Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to find the QR code in Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. After opening your Viber app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there's a more button available for us with the three dotted icons. Tap on the more button with the three dotted icons at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you land on this interface, whereas at the top right corner of the screen you can see there's a QR code option available for us. Tap on the QR code option available for us at the top right corner of the screen, and you land on this interface. Now in order to view your QR code or find your QR code, you can see the button where it says my QR code at the bottom of the screen. Tap on that my QR code button, and this is your Viber QR code, guys. And in order to share your Viber QR code, you can just screenshot this QR code and send it, or you can let your friend scan this QR code directly from the phone, and then you will be added on their contact list from this QR code. And with that being said, guys, this is how to find your QR code in Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.